Hi folks, it's Moz here, and on the workbench today I have a brand new bundle available from Airfix. So looking on the Airfix website, they have what's called the Weathering Starter Pack Bundle. You get 7 items that will help you in your weathering journey if you are looking into weathering armor in particular, but you can use these products on any kind of build. So looking at the website, the picture has got something missing that you will get inside this starter pack. First off, you're going to be getting this smart mud. This smart mud here for diorama texturing, and basically it looks like this. It's like a sandy base, and once you put it onto a diorama and let it dry, it will set into that position. But this one is this is like a mud. So if you want to build like a diorama of a Jeep or a tank in mud, this is the sort of stuff you could use. So you get one of them. You get this weathering powders pack that contains 5 or 6 different powders. We'll have a look inside the box. There you are. There you go. Let's have a look. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It tells you exactly what they are. They don't tell you on the lids as such what it is, which is a bit of a shame, but that's all right. So if you look at the colours, you probably guess that's going to be dark earth. You're getting bright sand, I think that is. That's your proper yellow sand. You're getting, I think that's white. Yes, white. That one there, that's white. You're also getting the brown earth. And this one here is texturing powder. I'm not too sure how they work, so I've never used them, but it'd be something to look into if you are looking to weather your models with these types of colours indeed. So you get 6 of them. That dark mud's getting everywhere. You also get an aging powders pack. Light rust, medium rust, dark rust, black smoke and iron oxide. So basically, yeah, it's mostly your rust effects really. Again, you get these small containers. Again, not mentioned. You can write on top of the lids what they are. So let's have a quick look. So that looks like smoke to me. It's very grey looking. That one there is dark rust. Medium rust. What's that one there? That looks like black to me. That's your iron oxide, and you also get your medium rust. Also in this pack, you'll be getting the Weathering Acrylic Paint Pen set. I've never used these. I do actually have a set, but I've never got them out to have a look. But these have been carefully selected set of natural colours, are ideal for distress and weathering your models. So again, you're getting 6 in the pack. And they basically just look like markers. Are they bullet tipped? So they're bullet tipped, as you can see there, they're bullet tipped. And there you go, the again, no markings on them, just the colours. So again, if you look at them, so you've got your 6 colours, you've got your rust, you've got your grass green, your khaki, your natural wood, your light grey and your dark grey. So these, as I said, they're bullet pointed, and I just suppose you just you can put them on, and I suppose you can blend them in, I guess. So you get 6 of them in the pack as well. They also provide you with this stipple brush set. And to be fair, I am a fan of Humbrol brushes. Now people say, oh, they're not sable and all that, but they do a job. You know, whenever I get a starter set from Aldi or Lidl, I like the brushes that are in them. So there you go, there's the brushes. So you've got a nice 10mm there. You've got a 7mm stipple brush, 5mm stipple brush, and you get the 3mm. And you know, if these are good if you're using a chipping fluid. These are good for, you know, removing the paint to where you want the paint to be, and also when you are weathering, these are good for flicking on the paint or the brush or the dust onto the model. So you get 4 of these to start you off with, which is pretty fab. I've got some of these anyway, so these will go into my collection of brushes. Also, their brand is, oh, by the way, this is new. These are new, and so is this. This is their chipping and scratching agent. And, you know, basically you brush this on or you spray it on, and then you put your paints on top, and then this will give it a layer where you can remove the paint on top. I know people say hairspray does just a good job. I get all that. But I always feel that when you use a chipping agent, that it does help remove the paint a bit more easier than, and I should say easier, but you know, there's a lot more give with this stuff than just using hairspray or using soap. But yeah, this is a good thing. Brush a thin coat over the initial paint, then allow to dry and apply a second coat of paint over that, and then that's how you get your chipping effect. Cool. And the final thing in this kit, so if you are wanting to have a practice at doing weathering, they throw in this British M3 Stuart Honey tank. They're available on the website on their own, but all this together, you know, they're asking for 50 quid for everything. So you get the Stuart Honey, the British M3 Stuart Honey tank in 1/35 scale. You're getting these weathering acrylic paint pens. You're getting the aging powders pack. You're getting the weathering powders pack. You're getting the chipping agent. You're getting a set of brushes, and you're also getting the new Smart Mud from Humbrol. So altogether you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products for this. And on the website, they're going for £49.99. Anyways, like I always do with these bundles, let's do the math. Before I discuss this bundle, would you do me a favour? It really does help the channel if you could like this video, if you're liking it. And if you'd like to become a subscriber, please click subscribe, ring that bell, click all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. So the stipple brushes are £5.99 on the Humbrol website. The chipping and scratching agent is also £5.99. Humbrol weathering pens, £12.99. The weathering powders pack is £11.99. And that's the same price for these aging powders packs as well, which is £11.99. The Smart Mud for diorama texturing is £9.99. And this Stuart Honey is £26.99. So then, adding up all of the items, they will come to £85.93. And that will give you a £35.94 saving. If you're an Airfix Club member, you could purchase this for £44.95, and that will give you a £40.98 savings, so 41 quid or but 2p. And because it's over the threshold, I believe that the postage and packing on this bundle is free. One last thing before I go. If you've observed this, congratulations, because you would have noticed that this spelling looks a bit odd. And it is, because in the UK, we spell aging with an E. There is no drop that E-I-N-G that you were taught in school. Aging is spelt in the UK A-G-E-I-N-G. But in America, they drop the E, so it's aging, A-G-I-N-G. It's the correct spelling, okay? You could use either. I know there are people who would use either. Okay, but yes, if you're wondering if it looks a bit odd, it does look a bit odd because in English it's spelled A-G-E-I-N-G. They don't drop the E for some reason. There's a picture on the screen now for what it says in Google, but both ways are correct. All right, so yeah. So there you are. That was unboxing of the latest bundle from Airfix. I will leave a link in the description box below and in the comments where you can buy this bundle. Obviously it's on the Airfix website, but please click the link and it will take you straight to the page. What are your thoughts? Is this the sort of thing you would go for if you were interested in learning how to weather? I think it's a good beginner step. You're getting most of the stuff you need for weathering, and I think for the price you're getting a really good saving. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. If you'd like to become a channel member, like the people that are on the screen now, and help this channel financially, just click join below and select which membership subscription you'd like to purchase. Any questions, any comments, leave in the box below because I do reply. And if you've not seen my latest video, click here. If you'd like to see other bundles that I've unboxed, click here.